Hi guys, so in this video you'll see that we are starting the fence. We had all the roots ripped out. As you can see, the land's been graded. I've started a few holes by here, and as you can see, Natasha's filming me digging one of the last holes. So if you keep watching this video, you will see the completion of the new fence. The other day I dug out a couple of holes at the top and finished digging the rest of the holes by here. Done them about 8 inches by, I'd say, 800 on average, some 700, some a bit deeper. We've got 3-metre posts. I'm going to trim them down once I get my feather edge on. It's a bit over high, a bit too tall. So got a bit of a issue here with space. So what we've done is done a large space right here. I've done 1.8 from there, and then I'm going to start the next post and go 1.8 all the way down so I can get my 3.6 metre rails in. Just leveling all these up, bracing them up. 2 are set. Third one set in, move on to the next one, and we're just going to work our way down, sticking to the string line perfectly straight, leveling them out, and then once we get our rails on, we can start banging all the feather edge boards on. So I'm going to be borrowing a first fix nail gun from my brother-in-law. Got all the nails we need, got galv and the ring shanks for the feather edge, and I got some 100mm nails for the rails. So hopefully by Bank Holiday Monday, that's 2 days away, we'll have all the fencing up and ready for painting. So yeah. So as you can see, I've put some horizontal bracing just to keep the spacing equal and just to keep them level sideways. I also put some diagonal bracing, as you can see here, and clamped it up. Just put the weight of a postcrete bag on there just to keep them upright while the postcrete is setting in the ground. You should really have the postcrete set within about 10 minutes depending on temperature, and we had lovely dry weather, so we pretty much set rapidly. Here I'm using a Chavola to dig one of the last holes and using a breaker to break it out, and here I am now sticking the bottom and mid rails on, and Natasha has kindly painted all the gravel boards ready just to go straight on, so when I'm digging all the mud and it backfills onto it slightly, it doesn't matter too much. So here I have the Paslode nail gun, 50mm aluminium ring shank nails, just banging that kickboard straight onto the bottom rail, just to get it fixed in nicely. And here I start the feather edge. Now I've got my kickboards all level, I can just chuck my feather edge straight onto the kickboard, level her up, and just go along, give my equal spacings. If you want an inch overlap on every panel, just allows for shrinking and expansion through the winter and summer months. I was just double checking which faces are the best, just so we have a nice finish on our side of the garden. And always wear PPE, guys. I should technically be wearing goggles for any sparks or kickback, but mainly for this is the noise. As you can see, run out of nails. guys, so over the bank holiday weekend we erected a 15-metre feather edge fence. As you can see, I've got a few posts I still need to cut off, so if you follow me. So we've dug down, we've come around here and look up the line. We've dug down into the soil as much as we can. We've stepped just by there, and we've also stepped just down the end because of the sloping garden. It's not too much, it's only what we got, 150, 300, 450 mil step over the whole garden, which is not too bad over 50 metres. Strung a line, taking it over, all you can see is lovely and straight and level. So we're currently painting it. We've painted the kickboards already, as you can see, because it would have been a nightmare trying to paint them while all our soil's there. And now we're just finishing it off with some more painting. As you're coming along, you've got the one step, a couple more posts to chop down, and then we have the rest of the fencing, which has had one coat, but because we're going to be building some sort of outside office around here, we've just done one coat for now. So yeah, that's where we are at the moment with our perimeter fence. So just to finish this video up, guys, this area of fence has had 2 coats of paint. Some of it still needs a second coat, but it's all protected now, temporary. But our next video will be on the garden shed. As you can see just there, I've started digging some of the holes, but we're going to sort of go through the base, the walls, the roof, the interior, etc. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and we shall see you in the next one.